The Arts Factory is a joint project that has been conceived by ASIREC and the Department of Performing and Visual Arts of the University of Birmingham. As it stands, there was a notice that was made from our part after investigations 2 years ago, and we came to understand that students actually lack some kind of hands-on practical knowledge on the various intricacies that are implied when it comes to practicing and getting involved and making money out of the arts business in Cameroon. So this understanding and this knowledge made us to start thinking about possibilities which we can be able to put in place in order to enable students and young Cameroonians to learn hands-on skills that can permit them to make a living out of the arts practice. And to this direction, therefore, we came about to create an incubator. And this incubator is titled the Arts Factory. And this is an incubator which is going to function basically in two stages. Stage one of the incubator is that which puts in kind of a professional internship to students. And students during this professional internship are drilled on some practical know-how or knowledge on some basic and main domains. And these domains include, amongst others, we have ceramics, we have painting, we have drawing, and we have sculpting, and we equally have cinematography, we have graphic design, and we have communication, which is actually like a bridge between all of these disciplines. And this is actually what gives us our peculiarity, in that we touch on not only painting or drawing, we touch on not only filmmaking like other institutions may do, but we give an intersection between communication and the other areas that are related to communication: graphic design, publicity, documentary film production, and all of that. And this is actually done in the first phase of our project, which is a professional internship. And in line with the Ministry of Higher Education's vision in making our universities entrepreneurial universities, so we thought of putting in an entrepreneurial touch equally in the Arts Factory. And this implies that at the end of the training phase, or at the end of the professional internship of our students are given that possibility to transit from studentship into employership. Employership in the sense that our students can be able to become either autonomous by creating their own jobs, or become employed by the Arts Factory itself. Which means the second phase is that of creating job opportunities. And these job opportunities are for the students that we've trained, and the students that we've trained who are not taking up jobs in our own Arts Factory can be able to create jobs for themselves. And once they create these jobs for themselves, they can in turn generate other job employment opportunities where they will employ other youths in our country. And by so doing, the products that we are going to be able to produce in the Arts Factory will go a long way to permit us to be sustainable, because this too is a fact that has been observed in many of our state universities in Cameroon, where programs are opened, but very little or nothing is given as far as purchase of equipment is concerned. So by producing our artworks, by marketing our artworks, we can be able to generate income to sustain the incubator and be able to purchase equipment that will further go ahead to train many more young Cameroonians towards developing the entrepreneurial spirit that is so dear to our country and our vision